Hey y'all, so I am bored today. We're just gonna go ahead, get some food, go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna see if I can make a couple Instacart orders. So come with me. I'm back. So I got my food from Zaxby's. I just got a kids meal. That's just my go-to what I get here, because the job fills me up. Feeling a little bit lightheaded, so I'm drinking some water out of my Stanley. And then after that, I may or may not go to the grocery store. And what I usually do, I'll try to see if I can find an Instacart order, and then I'll get my order and then their order, and then I'll just do it 2-in-1 so I can make some money while I spend some money. This is what my grilled cheese is looking like. And let's see these fries. And then they gave me some ketchup, and I love me some ketchup. I also got a high C fruit punch with no ice, because you get more drink without the ice. I'm gonna go ahead and pray real quick. Get into this. Ooh. Hot, but it's better than all the other times I've ever had Zaxby's. Super good. Very refreshing. But how's everybody's day today? Like, let me know what you guys did, what you guys are doing. Are you guys okay? So y'all, maybe that's all I needed. All I needed was to eat, because I felt like I just felt so not good. Like, you ever get that weird feeling in your head, like every time you move, it's like your brain shakes or something, and then your eyes shake with it? It's like, ugh, I don't know, I can't even explain it. And it did like fill me up, and I went ahead and just chugged my drink real quick, because I'm like craving a milkshake. So I'm gonna try one of Zaxby's milkshakes here. I'm gonna get the birthday cake one. Y'all, I feel like I low-key look a mess for some reason. I got the shake right here. This is the small, the only size that they have. I paid, whoa, $5.34 for the shake, and then for the meal I got, I paid $5.98, so 10, close to 11 bucks. Yeah, 10 bucks and some change. I guess not too bad, but this shake is pretty huge for a small, and like I said, it's the only size that they have. It smells really good. It smells like icing. Like, it smells like Cold Stone. It tastes good enough for me to get my fix. Welcome back. So I did not go to the grocery store, but now that I'm back home, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox a couple of things that I received. I think 2 things I have to do a review, and then the rest is probably some nail stuff. So actually, we're gonna do the review stuff first. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I gotta do a couple of reviews. This right here is a native moisturizing lotion from Native. The scent is toasted vanilla and honey. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and smell this before the review. Cause y'all, I do not really like Native's products like that, but the soap that I had gotten, it left me feeling dry, but it just smells and it lathers so good. So I'm gonna keep on using it until it runs out. And then the body cream that I got, it was so good too. It was fragrance free. Yeah, this smells so good. No, the honey part, I don't smell it, but I smell the vanilla. The vanilla, chef's kiss. It smells so good. Thumbnail. Okay, now I'm gonna do this next item. This came fast. Oh, look how it came. Okay, let's start over. Okay, so this right here, Thirst Burst Drops by e.l.f. I've never tried an e.l.f. product before. This is supposed to be, it helps with dewy and brightening. Dry, oily combination skin. What it does, reveal a juicy, radiant complexion, both instantly and over time. Has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex, hyaluronic acid, and brightening. Ooh, this is high. 5% niacinamide. Because when do you ever hear other than 1 or 2%? Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a pump bottle. I wonder if I can smell it though. Ooh. Smells like lotion. Cool. I don't know why I was excited to smell it. Now for my AliExpress package. Ooh, let me do another thumbnail. Okay, so now this is the last package that we're going to open. Until I get another one, of course. I'm gonna start off with the smallest package that I got. Y'all, there's a nail video that I did. It's a part 3. I don't even want to edit it. I've been trying. That video is 50-something minutes long, and I'm trying to cut it down to the T. Okay, so this is my nail drill. My nail drill bit. This is supposed to help take the polish and gel polish off and the acrylic off faster. I just feel like using a drill is a bit better than acetone. And then on top of that, I did get my nail drill dust collector. But oh my gosh, I thought this was gonna be bigger, but it's okay. So this is what it looks like. Y'all, I did not show you guys the products. I'm so sorry. This is the Native. I apologize that the camera is on backwards because I'm using my front camera and I gotta see myself. This is the e.l.f. And now this right here, I already know what this is. I can tell. This is my, well actually, I'm not even gonna tell you guys. You're just gonna have to find out. Oh my gosh, it's my hand soaker for my acetone. Okay, I got 100. I think I got either 1 or 200 dust-free cotton pads. So that way I don't have to get up and wash my hands all the time. I can just get the alcohol, put it on the cotton pad, and I can just rub it on my nails. And then I got the 180 grit nail file. So these are like super sharp. Y'all, before I forget, I do have one more thing. I do have my nail scraper. This is what it looks like. So that way Whenever the acetone is eating at the acrylic, all I have to do is scrape it like this, and it's way easier than using the cuticle pusher. And I got it for maybe like $1, not even $2, I don't think, off of AliExpress, but I will put the links below. And then what else did I get? Is that all? That's all. Yeah, well, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.